Hello. Today we're making a very special video about a brand new modification that I got from Bestevmod. Today we're doing a bumper cover from the back, a cargo cover. You just come like this. Before you install it, you need to leave it flat, just like that. Right? You need to open it flat so it can stretch out. Installing this in the CRV is a little hard. You need to take this piece out first, the whole piece. So it has some clicks. You see those clicks? It goes in this side. And you take the whole thing. You see? That's a battery. So you take the whole thing apart. I will see how I install it. I check back for you guys. Alright, so this is what I did. I put the one that I got on top of this one. If you want, you can attach it. It has like two faces of tape. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put it on top of it because this thing is already giving the pressure. So I put one on top of the other, right? I make sure it's aligned. There's really no need to take this. You see that rubber in the corner? There's really no need to take it out because this thing's gonna put pressure on it. What I'm gonna have an issue is with these clicks over here. After the installation, it should look something like this. In my case, the one that I ordered comes, this thing has two clicks, one over here and one over here. The cover doesn't have the clicks, so this thing stay hanging on top, right? You want it to fit perfectly just like this. You will have to make a hole. It's really not that crazy. You just gotta go like a screwdriver or a staple or even a knife. Just make a little hole here, another little hole here. So when this is raised up, you put this click into the cover, and then you put the cover here, and then you put the click down with pressure. You gotta play with it until it clicks on place. But after that, this is the final product. We help you out with scratches and other stuff. I want to thank Bestevmod to reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to review one of the products. As I said before, if you want, you can leave it permanently attached with two faces of tape, or just leave it how it is. I just leave it how it is in case I want to take it out in the future or something. All right, stay frosty and see you next time.